Good morning. Welcome. My name is Alexis. This is Whiteboard Mastery, and I just got back from a really nice walk that I want to talk to you about and inspire you to take walks through nature more often. So I've been experimenting with taking a walk, going outside, going into nature before I go to work. And my experiment was basically that I wondered if I could be more, how would you say, more focused and less nervous and less anxious and more alert after going on a walk. Nothing long, maybe 10 to 15 minutes through a park. In my case, I have a really nice park very close by, and I wanted to talk a little bit about that because I think it's very helpful, and this also ties in with using the whiteboard, which I will explain in just a moment. In the background, as you can already see, there is like a slideshow of pictures that show you nature and give you an idea of what it's like to actually take a walk. I know some of you, maybe you have a very strict schedule and you have to spend a lot of time commuting. So I know this may not fit in on a daily basis for you, but I can say that I, after now, I think of 10 days of experimenting every day, I would take a walk and then start working. I can absolutely say it's an amazing way to start work. And in fact, in the book Deep Work by Cal Newport, he calls this type of preparing for work, for really focusing and being really clear about what you want to do, an opportunity to deliberately meditate. So what I do often when I go on this walk in the morning is to think about what I want to share with you, for example, or what I want to work on, or what I really need to focus on today. So think about taking a nice casual stroll as a way to shake off what's confusing, shake off what maybe makes you nervous. I have done this actually when I was consulting with clients as well. So before a deep work session, I would take the whole team and say, let's take a 5 to 10 minute walk around the block. So nothing long or complicated, but I felt that, and I learned that once you do that, the conversations between the people are a little bit diffused. They're not just about the work, but you start talking about personal things, and you get a lot of fresh air. You see sun. You see something. Maybe you hear a bird or something that catches your eyes that is outside of your regular thinking frame. So yeah, I think it's super helpful if you want to get really quality work done. And as a preparation, take a quick walk, go outside, look around, breathe in the air. And so you may be wondering, so what does this have to do with whiteboarding? Well, as I mentioned, it's a fantastic way to prepare for intense work. So for example, when I want to be really creative and I want to come up with new ideas, then I take this walk, come back, and then have a completely open mind to whiteboard. So I think the mind that you bring to a whiteboard and the shape the mind is in is just as important as your skills to be able to draw and to write down. So think about that as a sort of a warm up, a mental warm up, a very healthy one to when you want to figure out a problem, when you want to come up with new ideas, when you want to share ideas with your team. Go for a walk and see what happens. I'm super excited for you to try this because it's been a game changer for me. So thanks so much for watching. Go out, take walks as much as you can, especially before you work. And I hope to hear from you. Leave a comment below or contact me. And thank you so much, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.